Let's solve this ideal gas law problem step by step. We are given an ideal gas with initial volume 3.0 cubic centimeters, initial pressure 2.0 atmospheres, and initial temperature 300 Kelvin. The pressure increases to 4.0 atmospheres at 400 Kelvin. We want the final volume. We will start with the equation PV over T equals a constant. Let's picture the gas in a container. When the pressure increases and the temperature changes, the volume must adjust to keep the ratio PV over T constant. Here is a simple diagram of the gas container. Now, we apply the combined gas law. P1V1 over T1 equals P2V2 over T2. We solve for V2. Now substitute the values. P1 is 2.0 atmospheres, V1 is 3.0 cubic centimeters, T2 is 400 Kelvin, P2 is 4.0 atmospheres, and T1 is 300 Kelvin. Let's compute it step by step. The numerator is 2 times 3 times 400, which is 2,400. The denominator is 4 times 300, which is 1,200. 2,400 divided by 1,200 is 2.0. So the final volume is 2.0 cubic centimeters. Looking at the answer choices, the correct choice is option B, 2.0 cubic centimeters.